Welcome back to my channel. Well, this is the end of the road for the paint on this Toyota Tundra. These are the last pieces. Let's just get started. Hope you like it. All right, let's begin. These fenders and bedsides have been prepared. They have been primered and blocked. These are fiberglass. It's a little trickier to get them as straight as possible because of the casting, but they're ready. Let's just start applying that sealer. Now, the sealer, I am gonna apply it at 28 psi. And it's going to be with the Welcome Carbonio 360 Light with a 1.3 tip. Let's begin. Everything has been wax and grease removed, so we're good. We're good to go. There it is. Now it's one color. Sealer's applied. Nice. We're just gonna let it set for about 15 minutes. Come back, tack rag it, start applying that paint. First coat, First coat has been applied. Now be mindful where the airflow is at. As you guys see that I start from this end and move my way towards where the fans are. Why? The airflow is going this way. So by the time I go to this one, all the airflow or all the overspray is going to this one and I'm jumping. So just be mindful. It's a nice way to keep your job clean. Be mindful where the airflow goes. So I'm just gonna apply 2 more coats and then the control coat. I'll bring you back once the control coat has been applied so that I can start applying that clear. I don't want to bore you with the same process, but I'm just gonna apply 2 more and the control coat. I applied 3 coats and the control coat, and it's good. Now we're gonna let it set for about 15 minutes. Come back, use a tack rag, clean it up, and start applying that clear. Looking good. Clear I'm using, it's from American Icon C820 Euro Clear right there. And there you go. Let's start applying it. I'm using the Welcome Carbonio 360 Light clear gun with a 1.2 tip with the MP air cap. Let's get to it. So this is the first coat of clear, and it is looking nice. So we're just gonna apply 2 more coats. I'm gonna apply 3 coats to this. I am gonna buff them, but I'm gonna apply 3 coats and that'll be it. These are the final parts from that Tundra to be painted. I do have some other little miscellaneous things, but they're different color and they're probably just clear, but there it is. All right, I'll bring you back once the 3 coats of clear have been applied so that you can just check them out. Real quick, guys, if you want to help the channel, there's a link below to my Cash App, my PayPal. It really helps. YouTube's not really helping out anymore, so if you want to help the channel so I can continue making more videos, I would highly appreciate it. And thank you. Here it is. 3 coats of clear. Now after this, I'm just gonna let it set for a couple of days, come back, start buffing them. I am gonna show you how I'm gonna buff. I'm gonna start with the doors that I painted on the previous video. That's what I'm gonna be showing you, and I'll be doing the same thing to the entire truck. So just wait for the next video. That's gonna be the buffing. This will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, it helps a lot. Also tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe. There's more to come, and have a great weekend. I'll see you this coming Wednesday for another video. All right, thank you very much, and like always, God bless.